Hello, my dear students and parents. So, today's my topic is types of students. Types of students, usually this is my view, right. With my experience, I wanted to tell you about the types of students, and then you identify yourself in which type you belong to, right, in which type you will be there, in which type, that you have to do. So, understand my words clearly and identify which type of student you are, right. So, my website is given www.ravishankar.online. So, this video is also available in my website, okay, in the students section. So, now let us go to students, types of students. Before I go to types of students, first let me tell who is a student. Already I told you, student is someone who seeks knowledge. So, usually knowledge is available from the school. So, students will be there in the school, right. So, students will be divided among the classes, class 1, class 2, class 3, 10, class 10, green, blue, A, B, C, like that, right. So, now I am talking about one section. Normally, this is the same in all the classes or in all the sections, right. So, now I have divided all the students into some categories. So, type A students, right, type A SIM card, type B, type C adapter रहता है ना. So, type A students, usually all the parents are having an opinion A means the best. So, I do not want to fail your idea. Yes, A is the best. Type A students, they are the best students. They follow all the lessons carefully, they do the work sincerely, they do all the activities in time, not only study related. Okay. So, they always get good marks in the class. Teachers, students, everybody will be behind these students because they give. So, this is type A students. So, it is not one, a set of students will be there in every class. In every class, some set of 5, 6 students, 10 students will be there. Most of the teachers will be behind, right. So, teachers first they wanted to help the best student, and then they will allot some time for weak students. Like that, they have their own strategies. Okay. So, type A students, they are very silent, they do not talk much, they listen to the lessons, they follow all the instructions, they revise when they go home from the school, right. They do the homework in time, okay, today's homework today basis. So, these are the students, they come under type A. If type A students are there, very parents happy, teachers happy, everybody is happy. So, there is no problem. Type A student. Now, let us go to type B students. Type B students, they are very special. They are also like almost all the qualities will be there. They are quiet. They always try to have a friendship with type A, right. They always have a friendship with type A. They always, even the parents also tell those children, you be with that type A student, okay. So, they always move, they observe this type A student, they observe only, they are quiet only, alright. So, if he makes noise, the type A student will move away from type B. So, type B students are quiet, they are with type A, they always they observe it. When it comes to the marks, okay, it will not be very bad, maybe 75%, 85%, but not like type A, because they see, enjoy, they feel proud to be with type A students, right. So, type B students are very close to type A, but they do not follow whatever the type A students are doing it. Okay. So, type B students harmless. So, type A, type B students together in a class of 40 students, around 25 people will be there, 25 to 30. So, the remaining students comes under type C. So, I have divided the entire class into only 3 groups, type A, type B, type C. So, this type C students, they do not bother anything. Even the class is going on, they do not bother about to listen to the class. Okay. So, they talk, they do something, they do not care the studies, they do not do any work, joyful, enjoy, bindas, I can say bindas people, type C student. So, parents also maybe might be like that, maybe I will discuss about the type C students, type B students very clearly in my coming lectures. So, the type C students really peculiar, they do not care, parents will not take care anything, right. Even the teachers also will not show more interest to these people, right, because they are neglected, right, because of so many reasons. Why a student become a type C student, that I am going to talk in the coming lectures. So, this is type C, right. Type C students bindas, they do not care, they go forward with any without any, by if they are lucky they pass, they get good marks, 50%, 40%, 33%, sometimes they fail also, right. By virtue they may go into the next class, like that they will come up to 10th class. 10th class there is no go, they have to write the exams and get minimum marks to pass. So, if they are lucky they will pass, if they get any help in the examination they will pass, if the teacher gives internal marks good they will pass, whatever, right. If the school and everything is strict they will fail, so they get disinterest, right. So, my dear children, before going into bigger targets, right, first identify yourself where you are standing, be truthful to you, be honest to you, actually identify where you are standing, in which group you are standing. Definitely the whole society, everywhere there is a help to upgrade yourself. If a type B can be upgraded to type A, type C can be upgraded to type B and then upgraded to type A. So, first you should understand that in which type you belong, right, sincerely, honestly. If a type C student is feeling that he is type A, no one, even God cannot do anything. God cannot do anything, my dear students. So, if type C means type C, just like that only you have to. So that what happened, whatever the teachers or counselors gives you the advices, then they will be more effective, otherwise they will be ineffective and you start scolding others also, you start criticizing everybody. So, when failures, when we get the failures, we will try to find faults with others. So, like this type C students. So, my dear students, in this lesson, in this lecture, I want you to identify yourself in which type you are, right. In the next lecture, we will discuss few more points. Thank you. Have a nice day.